All right, YouTube, I'm gonna quickly show you how to check your automatic transmission fluid in your 1.8 liter 4-cylinder Toyota engine. They put these engines in the Toyota Corollas, Toyota Matrix, and the Chevy Prizms, and a couple more. You open your hood and you're looking at your engine, and you wanna navigate to this orange dipstick right here. This one here. Typical Toyota transmission dipstick. There's a little T-handle on it, and then behind it, there's a little metal like spring clip. You want to pull the spring clip back, and you want to pull the dipstick out, okay? You want to wipe the dipstick first, and then put it back down. So it's pretty standard with transmission fluid that you have cool and hot markings on the dipstick. So the bottom two little notches there are the cool. Okay, you can see hot on the right. So the two notches on the right are for hot. So if your car is hot and at operating temperature, you can check it, and the level should be up in between those two hot notches. If you're checking out when the car is cold, you want to go and make sure the fluid is in between the cool notches. You can see cool. Okay, now for this particular transmission, it says D, it's hard to see it because it's reflecting, but it says D Roman numeral 2 or Dexron 2 or 3. Okay, that's the kind of transmission fluid. Dexron 2 or 3. So check your owner's manual and decide which one you want to use. So that's where your transmission dipstick is. I hope that helps. And leave a like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll try to answer any questions. Thanks for watching.